In this video, I'm going to discuss how to implement and train a transformer model called BERT to complete a fundamental task within NLP called masked word prediction. For this task, models must predict what word or symbol should be used to fill a mask within a given body of text. Now, with that said, let's get right to it. First off, we're going to pip install Happy Transformer, which is a Python package I'm the lead maintainer of. Now from Happy Transformer, we're going to import a class called Happy Word Prediction. We will use this class to create an object that will contain the model called BERT base on case. So we'll name this object Happy WP for Happy Word Prediction. And for the first positional argument, we will write BERT in all caps to specify that we are using a model that is of type BERT. And for the second positional parameter, we will write BERT base uncased, and let's hit run. We can now begin predicting masks, so we'll copy over our Happy WP object and we'll call the method predict mask. Let's see if BERT has a basic understanding of a famous philosophical quote, I think, therefore I am, but instead of am, we will include mask, and we'll have the model return not only the top answer, but the top 3 answers, and we'll save the result in a variable called result. Let's hit run. There we go, and we can print it. And we get a period as the top answer, and I don't see am in the top 3, but we can fix that with training. Now let's fine-tune the model so that it predicts the correct token. So for this, we will head over to the Google Colabs file structure, create a new file, and we'll name it train.txt, has to be a text file. From here, we will add training cases. So how about I think, therefore I am, and we can provide this 7 times. Just like this should work, and to save this file, you can click on File and then Save. Let's close all of it. And we only need to call one line of code to train the model, and that is happywp.train and then the name of the file. So in this case, simply train.txt. Let's hit run, and it trained almost instantly. So what happens when we rerun these 2 cells? We get am as the top result. Now let's discuss how to isolate the top token. So here we see that we have a list of data class objects, and in order to get the first data class, we can access it like a list element. So just brackets 0, and there we go, we have the first element. And here to get the token result, which is a string, we just type in .token, hit run. There we go. Similarly, we can call .score, and we get the score. I just want to finish off by mentioning that it is very easy to modify learning parameters like learning rate, number of epochs, and so forth. To do that, you just have to import a class called WP_trainArgs, and then you can create an object using the class and modify different parameters that are listed right here. So I've included a link to this webpage down below, along with a video I created before that just explains this in more depth. I have a fun challenge for all of you. Comment down below a input and output combination that results in something funny or interesting, along with what model you used. Subscribe to my newsletter for more content like this, and stay happy, everyone.